Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to give you a clear understanding of the market. Today, August 28th, we're analyzing Google stock, a company that's been in the news recently for both positive and negative reasons. First, let's look at the news. Google has announced a cash dividend of 20 cents with an ex-date of September 9, 2024. This dividend could be a positive signal for investors, indicating that the company is financially healthy and confident about its future. However, Google is also facing potential antitrust scrutiny following its recent antitrust victory versus the internet giant. The Department of Justice is reportedly considering breaking up Google's parent company, Alphabet. This could have a significant impact on Google's stock price, as it could lead to increased regulatory costs and potential disruption to the company's business. Now, let's move on to the charts, starting with the one-day chart. Over the past year, Google has experienced significant volatility with both bullish and bearish periods. The stock reached a 52-week high of 191.75 on July 10, 2024, but has since pulled back. Currently, the stock is trading around 164.68, which is below its 50-day moving average. This suggests that the stock is in a short-term downtrend, but it's important to consider the longer-term picture as well. If we zoom in on the past few months, we can see that Google has been forming a series of lower highs and lower lows. This is a bearish pattern, suggesting that the selling pressure is increasing. However, it's important to note that the stock is still trading above its 200-day moving average, which is a key indicator of a long-term uptrend. This suggests that the long-term outlook for Google is still positive. Looking at the one-hour chart, we can see that the stock has been consolidating over the past few days. The stock has been trading in a narrow range, with support around 164.46 and resistance around 166.44. This consolidation could be a sign that the stock is about to break out in either direction. If the stock breaks above the resistance level, it could signal a bullish move. However, if the stock breaks below the support level, it could signal a bearish move. To get a better understanding of the short-term sentiment, let's examine the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows that the stock has been trading sideways over the past few hours. There's no clear trend in this time frame, suggesting that the market is uncertain about the direction of the stock. However, we can see a few interesting price levels to watch. The stock has found support around 164.50 in the past and resistance around 166.00. If the stock breaks above the resistance level, it could signal a bullish move in the short term. Conversely, if the stock breaks below the support level, it could signal a bearish move. It's important to remember that these are just potential trading opportunities, and there's no guarantee that the stock will move in any specific direction. Ultimately, the best way to make informed trading decisions is to consider both the news and the chart data. The news about the potential antitrust scrutiny and the dividend announcement could have a significant impact on the stock price. The charts show that the stock is in a short-term downtrend, but may be consolidating in the 1-hour and 15-minute timeframes. Key price levels to watch include the 164.50 support level, the 166.00 resistance level, and the 200-day moving average. If the stock breaks above the resistance level, it could signal a bullish move. However, if the stock breaks below the support level, it could signal a bearish move. It's important to monitor the news closely for any developments related to antitrust scrutiny and the dividend. These events could have a significant impact on the stock price and influence its future direction. As always, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading!